Today's featured car of the day is a 1932 Ford Highboy with a blown Chrysler 392 Hemi in it, and looks to be a Halabrand or some other type of quick change rear end on it, with these giant rear tires, which I'm sure it has no trouble spinning with Supercharged Hemi in it. And it's painted in a pastel color from the 50s, it looks like. Pastel green blue color, and has a blower drive service supercharger on it, and a trick front end on it with some neat pieces. And this one wasn't chopped, which a lot of them are. And I filmed this one at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely different. Don't see too many of them with a blown Hemi engine in them. And being as light as it is, I'm sure the thing flies. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.